What's going on, everybody? A little bit different video today. It's just going to be an unboxing video. So I got this $100 worth of Hoonigan merch, and if you don't know what Hoonigan is, it's this big like car culture brand. They do YouTube videos. They sell all kinds of merch and stuff. They're really hilarious people and put out some really good content. So I've been watching their stuff for a long time now, and have a few of their things already. But this is $100 worth of their merch and stuff that I got during their big sale that they were doing. And I just wanted to share with you guys to see all this. Let's go ahead and get into this. Alright. So first up, one of the things. I got 3 t-shirts and a hat is what I bought. And with this, like, as long as you spent $50 during this sale, they gave you a bag, and you actually ended up getting a free sticker as well. So I thought that was awesome. Alright, let's see this first shirt. Man, and all their stuff always just feels so nice and comfortable. It is always just sized perfectly. Everything always fits me so well. I love their stuff. It looks so good. Hoonigan, Quality Mayhem. Bigger on the back. Absolutely love that, and that looks so good. Alright, on to the next one. Let's see. Nice basic black shirt with a little small logo and stuff on the front right here. On the back, it's like bigger kind of piston and crankshaft design. I thought was really cool. Love that. Next one. Man, the videos they put out, you know, they're funny, they're entertaining to watch, but like, man, they're informative too. Like, help me understand so much more about cars and everything. Kind of like a spark plug logo. Man, it's so cool. Again, just bigger on the back. And all the shirts have like pretty much the same texture to them, but it's such like a nice feeling. I think they're 100% cotton. Such nice shirts. Fold out up all nice. I got this hat here. Get it on up. Man, that looks awesome. Not usually a huge fan of the flat bills. I think I will end up making this one round. Just bending the bill right here. But man, that's a good looking hat. I like that a lot. And like the free stuff that came with it was, you know, nothing insane. Like this just regular old tote bag, which I really wanted because we were supposed to be going, me and my wife and family are supposed to be going to the beach soon. So that'll be good for just carrying stuff out to the beach. I like that. Just a regular little tote bag with their Hoonigan logo on there. And last thing I got was just a regular little Hoonigan sticker, which that and the tote bag were free, which is awesome. So I need to lay everything out here. Right, yeah, and that's it. I mean, just like I want to do a nice short and sweet video on this. I mean, this isn't sponsored by them or anything like that. This is all bought with my own money and stuff like that. But I mean, I love all their stuff, all their content, all their merch and everything. It always ships in like a good amount of time. It doesn't take a crazy amount of time for them to ship or anything like that. And I've never had an issue getting anything from them. And I enjoy how all their clothes fit. I like the styling of most of it. And yeah, I'm really happy with everything overall. It all looks really good and feels really nice. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye bye.